Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to talk about your Keurig Classic coffee maker. If you're having a very common issue that it has, which is after you press brew, it sounds like it's going to start to brew for just a second or two and then it shuts off. Now, one of the reasons that this happens, it could be a couple things, but one of the reasons and a good solution for this is, so one of the reasons that this happens is the pressure is too high, and this can be because either the pod fails to puncture or that even though the pod has punctured, it still feels like there's too much pressure, like it's not punctured. So this is not like a permanent fix to it, but this is a workaround that will get your pods working a lot of times if this is happening to you. What you should do is just pre-puncture your pod before you put it in. And if you pre-puncture your pod, that will reduce the pressure when it goes to make the coffee. So check and see if that works. And if that works, let me know down in the comments if that was it, or if it doesn't work for you, let me know that OC.